Hello, I'm Dr. John Abebe, the Medical Director of Joje Abebe Fertility Center and the lead tutor at the Joje Fertility Academy. Welcome to our advanced fertility training program for doctors who are beginning their career in the field of human reproduction. And we're introducing the ninth module and the final module in this advanced training program. It's on quality improvement and clinical governance in fertility care. Now, this module has 5 units. We'll be looking at quality assurance in fertility clinics, clinical governance and standards, risk management in fertility treatment, data management and analysis, and then patient-centered care models. Under the quality assurance in fertility clinics, we'll be looking at developing and implementing quality improvement initiatives. We'll also be looking at monitoring and evaluating clinical outcomes and patient satisfaction. Now, under the clinical governance and standards, we'll be looking at adhering to national and international guidelines and standards. We're looking at ensuring compliance with regulatory requirements. And under the risk management and fertility treatment, we're looking at identifying and mitigating clinical risk and complications, and managing adverse events and patient safety protocols. And under the data management and analysis, we're looking at utilizing electronic health records in fertility care, analyzing clinical data to inform practice and improve outcomes. And finally, we're looking at patient-centered care models. We're looking at implementing patient-centered approaches in fertility clinics and enhancing patient engagement and shared decision making. So, what's the learning objective of this module? This module focuses on quality improvement and clinical governance in fertility care, emphasizing the importance of quality assurance, adherence to guidelines, and risk management. It covers strategies for improving clinical outcomes, ensuring patient safety, and utilizing data to enhance care in fertility clinics. Additionally, the module discusses patient-centered care models and their impact on patient engagement and satisfaction. It is our hope that after going through this module, that the patient would have achieved the following clear learning objectives. Number 1, concerning quality assurance in fertility clinics, that the student will understand how to develop and implement quality improvement initiatives, monitor clinical outcomes, and evaluate patient satisfaction. The 2, concerning clinical governance and standards, that the student would have learned how to adhere to national and international guidelines, ensure compliance with regulatory requirements, and maintain high standards in fertility clinics. And then number 3, concerning risk management in fertility treatment, that the student will understand how to identify, mitigate, and manage clinical risk and complications, including managing adverse events and implementing patient safety protocols. And number 4, concerning data management and analysis, the student will have learned how to utilize electronic health records and analyze clinical data to inform practice and improve treatment outcome. And finally, number 5, concerning patient-centered care models, that the student would have understood how to implement patient-centered approaches, enhance patient engagement, and facilitate shared decision-making in fertility care. I want to say congratulations to all of our students for having made it thus far. This is the last module in this advanced fertility training course, and I want to say congratulations as you end this online training program. I look forward to seeing you at your next training, which will be the practical training program that will be taking place in our clinic. Once you are done with this training and you have passed the required assessment, you can go on to apply for the practical training program, and we will assess your application and offer you the opportunity to come and have hands-on training for 3 months in one of our clinics. And I say congratulations, because you are right on your way to becoming a fertility specialist. Have a great time going through this module. Bye.